We're just finishing up on our completer ceremony today. That's where our students have completed 2 years of the welding program. They're working towards their associate's degrees. They are talking to the industry partners in the back, and the jobs are there, making thousands of dollars a week with the skills they earned at MPC. Congratulations, all you welding students. Great job.
I'm Jim Leslie. I'm the welding instructor in St. John's, as well as the night instructor in Sholo and Holbrook. Shout out to all my students that have just graduated. Congratulations to you guys, and look forward to seeing where you guys go and what you become as adults and young men and young women, and look forward to having the new students coming in to the program and hope that they have the success that you guys have had.
My name is Jacob Meza. I graduated from Snowflake High School and MPC. I'm the 2024 Skills USA State of Arizona Welding Champion. I'll be competing in Nationals in Atlanta, Georgia this summer. I would like to thank my instructors, Mr. Hoskins, and the help that I got from Mr. Jim Leslie. And I'd like to thank my family. And I highly recommend any junior or high school student interested in learning welding to join the MPC welding program.
Hi, I'm Clay Rice, and I am one of the instructors at MPC. I teach the adult classes at night. I'd like to congratulate all the students for accomplishing what they've achieved. I'd also like to thank the staff and the NPC and all of the businesses that came out to help these students find a job for the future.